In this video, I'm going to show you a quick method to grow your following fast and get quick targeted followers. Before I do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you find it helpful. Okay, so what you want to do is search for accounts in your niche or pages related to your account, and you want to look at the big pages with big followings. So I'd go to search and just search for something. So for me it'd be business. If you've got a page related to dogs, you just type in dogs. If it's related to woodwork, and just search for big pages. So this page has a good engagement rate and it's got a good following as well. It's got a decent engagement rate. So what you do is just DM the page asking how much for a promo post. I've already DM'd this page before, and as you can see, I've already had a conversation with them and I'm negotiating with them. But you just DM them asking how much for a promo post. They'll send you your rates, but they'll send their rates back to you. And then I recommend you negotiate with them, because they can always adjust their prices. Really, the first price that they give is never the final price, so you should always negotiate with them. You should ask for their engagement stats, demographics and stuff, like I've asked this guy. So they'll send you their stats, where their followers are from and everything. So just so you can be sure that you're getting a good deal for your money. And you also want to make sure that the page is good and they have targeted followers. You want to make sure you look through their comments and they're not bot comments or any spam comments. Like, this person does have a bit of a they are okay. So this person has some good comments and everything, but you want to make sure the actual comments from actual pages, not just comments from spammed comments. And also you can negotiate with them if they're not willing to go down on price. You could say for a 12-hour post or less, because the engagement is only high in the first few hours, usually the first 2 hours, but it definitely dies down after 12 hours. So you'd want to negotiate on the number of hours as well that your post is live on their page. And some accounts they will negotiate, they'll be willing to negotiate, some won't. It depends on the account. But you just have to message different pages in your niche, like the way I told you, like the way I showed you, and you'll be able to get shout outs on pages. You will have to pay some money, but it'll be worth it, because you'll be able to skyrocket your growth with this. You'll be able to leverage other pages' followers to come back to yours and follow you. Now really, for a shout out, you should be looking to pay anywhere between $10 to about $50 to $60 for one shout out. That includes a post and a story. You want to target anywhere between 100,000 followers, 100,000 follower account, to about 600,000. Anything more, anything such as 1 million plus, they just charge a lot more for their rates, and sometimes it just isn't worth it, because you're not going to get a good enough return on your investment. So that's it. I hope you found that video helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.